To use Copilot Money on your iPhone, start by downloading and installing the Copilot Money app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app by searching for your bank or credit card provider and entering your login credentials. This will allow Copilot Money to track your spending and provide you with personalized financial insights. The main dashboard of the app provides an overview of your income and expenses, as well as your current account balances. You can navigate to different sections of the app by tapping on the tabs at the bottom of the screen, such as the Accounts tab, which displays all of your linked accounts, and the Budgets tab, which allows you to set budgets for specific categories of expenses. To set a budget, tap on the Budgets tab and select the category you want to set a budget for, such as food or entertainment. Enter the amount you want to budget for that category and set the time period for the budget, such as monthly or weekly. Copilot Money will then track your spending in that category and alert you if you go over your budget. In addition to budgeting, Copilot Money also provides investment tracking and bill tracking features. To use these features, navigate to the Investments tab or the Bills tab and link your investment accounts or add your bills. Copilot Money will then provide you with updates on your investment performance and remind you when your bills are due. To get the most out of Copilot Money, make sure to regularly review your account activity and update your budgets as needed. You can also use the app's reporting features to gain insights into your spending habits and make adjustments to improve your financial health. By following these steps and using Copilot Money regularly, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals.